Here we are at problem 3R from the limits summer packet. We have the limit as x approaches negative infinity of this cube root with a bunch of stuff inside. And there is a certain property in limits that says that anytime you have like an nth root like this, we can actually go ahead and take our limit and place it inside of this nth root. It kind of bypasses properties with exponents, including things like the nth root. And so that's actually a really nice handy tool as you approach limits. Now, that being said, then we have the third root of this limit as x approaches negative infinity of x minus 3 all over 5 minus x. Now, when we're looking at limits, and as especially they approach, infinity or negative infinity, a lot of these other numbers like this minus 3 and this 5, they really don't play a role when you start comparing things at that level of infinity. So we can kind of ignore them for right now. And at this point, we have the cube root of the limit as x approaches negative infinity of, really, before we had x divided by negative x. Well, x divided by negative x just simply comes out to be negative 1. And the limit as x approaches infinity or negative infinity of some constant number just is really that constant number. So we end up then with having the cube root of negative 1. So then the cube root of negative 1 just comes out to be negative 1. So the limit for problem 3R just ends up coming out to be negative 1. And again, if you were kind of like a little iffy on maybe some of those properties with limits, we're definitely going to talk about that.